Good morning, everyone, from Jeff's Little Engine Service. So here's what we have today. Well, there it is, guys. We had an ice storm last night. It's about 20 degrees out here this morning, and that's the deck buried. But I wanted to do a cold start test on this particular engine. So it's the old CRAFTSMAN LT 1000 with a 16 horsepower Kohler overhead valve engine. And it's the Command style engine, not the crappy Courage. Now you guys will hear me talk a lot of crap about Kohler engines, but I need to take some of that back. Oh, jeez. This is a Kohler Command 16 horsepower overhead valve style engine, and these engines actually weren't too bad. And I decided we're going to put it on trial today and see if this thing will cold start in 20 degrees covered in icicles. About the only thing that goes wrong with these engines that I've seen is having to replace the fuel pump. This particular model doesn't have one, but that's where they normally go. That's about the only thing that I've seen go wrong with them. So let's see if we can put it to the test here with a cold start. And yeah, let's see how it does. Ice everywhere. Okay. Can't even turn the key here. Can I put the choke? Yep, the cable's still working. That's not frozen. Let's see if I can break up this. There we go. Alright, let's see what happens. Wow, this thing's ready to go. Nice! I can't believe how easy that fired up. I'm going to call that a success, and today we're giving 2 thumbs up to Kohler Command engines. The wheels are frozen in here, otherwise I would try to take it for a drive, guys. That wheel is really locked in.